Hey guys, it's your girl Jasmine back on Everyone's YouTube channel here with another wig review. So it is a braided wig, as y'all can tell, and she is from Main Concept and is the Red Carpet Premiere. So this is the stock card. So the style is crimp ends box braids, 22 inches, and the style is, well, not style, the color is 1B, of course. So she has a 4-inch deep part down the middle. Y'all can't even really see the part for real. I don't really know what they were trying to do with the part. This unit does not have a lace, so that's good. You don't have to worry about cutting the lace off. She kind of just comes as is with baby hairs, but it's just you can't really see the part, so I don't really know about that. It has the baby hairs. It's cool. It says Inspire Braid Lace with part wig, so it's okay. Honestly, I feel like put some beads or something at the ends to make it something extra, but it's just the way this wig lays is a no for me. She's hecka too big on my head, so for my big hair girlies it's good for y'all, but for me it's a no because she's too big on my head. But she does come with the adjustable straps and combs, but I feel like even then it just wouldn't lay on my head right. Surprisingly she's not heavy, so that's good. It's just the part. It's literally where this part is. It's just throwing me off. It lays flat, so it's cool. I just feel like if the part was better, then it'd be able to finesse this wig. But honestly, it's a no for me. Braided wigs are just automatically a no, unless I could create styles with it and it came in multiple parts, then maybe. But just the one part, it defeats the whole purpose of getting a braided wig. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe somebody else could try it out and see. But she's not a bad length. Like, it's cool. You know, the length is cool. It's 22 inches, so nothing too crazy. But yeah, I ain't really got nothing to say about this wig. She's you know, she's so. But if you guys like to purchase this wig, make sure you click the link down below in the description box. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.